Hello friends, this is tutorial video 5 Autocad. In our last tutorial video we have learned how to make a floor plan, halls, rooms, kitchen and bathroom. In this tutorial video we will learn how to put the doors for the rooms, halls, kitchen, and how to place the names of the halls, rooms, and kitchen, etc. Okay, and please subscribe this YouTube channel for new videos, and don't skip the video in between. Please keep watching from the beginning to end, so you will not miss anything in between the video. Okay, so now we go to lesson. Okay, you can see in the screen, this is the drawing we did in our last tutorial. Okay, now we are going to add the doors for the rooms. So usually the door width is normally 750 mm. So what I will do, I will select the line from draw, from home, go to home, and in the draw tab tag the line tool, and make one line with the length of 750 mm. So you give 750, then type enter, then again enter. Now we got the line of 750 mm. So what you do, you just select the line. For selecting the line, there is a line or any object. We have two options, like 2-3 options. So I will tell you the major two options how to select the object. So just escape, deselect that line. So you can just click top of that object, so it will be selected. And the second method is you make one selection area and include the object whichever you want to select it, and click enter, click again. So whatever in that selection area, that will be selected. And there is another way to select it. From now I told you from the right side to left side, from left to right, this also you can select. In this case you can just touch the object, then it will be selected. But from right to left, you have to include the object in the selection area, then only it will be selected. But from left to right, you have, if you just touch any portion of the object, then it will be selected. You can see that. Okay, so now we select the line to line, what we did, and right click, select move, and select this point, click that point and move it to the center point of that this row. Okay, now we moved it. Okay, now next what we do, we will make one circle. In the draw tab, select the circle, and it's asking specify the center point. Specify the center point as this center point of the room. Click there, and it's asking the radius. So this end of the line should be the radius of the circle. Click there, then that we did the circle. Now I will tell you why we made this circle, because we made this circle as a reference drawing. Okay, so we made the door this line, so we have to make a path uh, so we'll make the path for this door. We'll make the path for this door. So this circle is the path of the door, and actually from this point to this point we need the path, and the remaining portion we have to select it. Sorry, we have to delete it. So for delete this portion we are going to use the command trim. So this is the new command we are going to use in our tutorial, so please listen carefully. So to use the trim command, we just type trim, 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 enter, then again enter. Now you select the area wherever you don't want the circle. This area you don't want, select it, click it. This area you don't want the line, click it. Now this is all removed. This is how we can use the trim command. Okay, now we made the door and path. Okay, then press enter to end the trim command, and now we make the, now you can see there is a small correction to be done here. Okay, now you can see this is the center point of this room, but this door opening is, this is the door opening, but this door opening center point is here somewhere. But actually the door opening center point and this door center point should be same position, but now this is not in the same position. So what we have to do, we have to move the door center point to the room center point. So what we do, before that we need to identify the center point of this door opening. So to identify the center point of this door opening, we make one line, select the line. This is the first point, this is the second point, press enter. Now you can select this line, what we did now. Now you can see the center point of this. Okay, now we select this door and right click, move, specify the base point. So the center point, we specify we click the center point and move it to the center point of this room. Click here. So now it's moved to the center point of this room. Okay, now this same door we copy it, right click, this time we are using copy, and click the center point and move it to the center point of this room, then press enter, finish the copy command. Now we made the doors for these rooms, and we have to use the same doors for these rooms as well. So for that we are going to use the mirror command. Last time also we, in our last video, I have shown you how to make the mirror command. We did the mirror command to mirror these two rooms this side. Okay, so now we select these two. Similarly we are doing for these doors also. So we select these two doors, go to modify, just click here and take the mirror command, mirror command, click that, and now specify the first point of the mirror line. So select the center point of this. Actually this door should be mirrored here, so the center point of between these two we have to select it. So we have to select this center point and it's asking specify the second point of mirror line. So like in this way or this way, any side we can move the, just click, and it's asking erase the source objects. That means, do you want to erase these objects or you want to keep it? So what we will give, no. It's already, no means N, so first letter of no, so we just press enter, so no will be selected. So this two is copied here by used the mirror command. Okay, so this is how we made the doors for all the rooms, and now we are going to make the door for this inner hall. So we just copy this door, right click, copy, just move it here somewhere and press enter. Okay, now we are going to use this door for this center hall. So now we have to rotate this way. So you just select it, right click, select rotate, select the center point, and you rotate the cursor. Which side you want to rotate it? This side you want to rotate it. Click it. Finished. Now you have the center point of this door opening, and you have to move it to the center point of this hall. So you select this and right click, move, select the center point and move it to the center point of this hall. Done. Okay, now we made the door for this inner hall also, and this is the main hall, that means front hall. So for this hall we are going to make two doors, double door. Okay, so for that we are going to use the same door, copy that door, move it, click here somewhere, press enter, finish the copy command. And now we are going to use the same mirror option to make two doors. Select the object, select this and take the mirror, and so this side we want to make the other door, so this would be the center point. You select this first point and move the cursor here or here, so you can see the next door is shown there. So you just click, and it's asking erase source object, just give no. Now we got two doors. Okay, so just you select this, right click, move, and take the center point and copy to the center point of this hall. Okay, now we made the two doors for the front hall. Okay, now all the doors for the halls, rooms, kitchen and bathroom is done. Okay, now we have given the dimensions. We will give the dimension for all. So annotate, take dimension, and this room with, sorry, select it, can select it, $3,000, and this will be 3,000. Yes, again this will be 3,000. This one you can move it little up, and this also you can move it little up. Press escape to deselect it. Okay, now and we will give these dimensions as well. That's it. Okay, now I will show you how to change the color of these dimension lines, because this floor plan, the house plan, we did in white color, and we better give some different color for this dimensions. So for to change the color of this dimension, just go to annotate, and in this dimensions tab you just a small arrow, just click the small arrow, then the dialog box will open. From that, this is the standard dimension we are using, so you go to modify the right side, and in this take the first tab lines, and here you can see color. You change the color to red, and the extension lines, you change the color to red again, and here go to text tab, and text color change it to red color. That's it. Click OK, click set current, close it. Now you can see all the dimensions are changed to red color. This is how you can change the color of the dimensions. Okay, now I will tell you how to give the names for each rooms and halls. So for that, first you go to the same annotate, on the left end you can see letter A. Just click that, and where you want to write the name, just click there, and you just make a small rectangle like this. The letter will start where you have made the rectangle. So now you have to type what you want to type. So we are going to give the name of this hall and the dimensions. So this is the front hall, so I will write front hall. So I'll give capital letter F-R-O-N-T, front hall, and we'll give the dimension of the hall in the bracket. So this will be 4 meter by 10 meter. Length is 4 meter, and length is 10 meter, and into 4 meter. We better give in meter, so 10 meter into 4 meter. That's it. Then click somewhere out here. So the text is done, but you couldn't see the text because it's I think it's very small. So you just select, this is where we made the line, we just select there, then the text will be selected. You can see it's very small, so we have to scale it to big. So select it and right click, then select scale, and click that any point of the text, click that, and just move the cursor. You can see the lines, the text is becoming big. So I think this is enough, this size is enough, this size is enough. Okay, just keep it this size. Just click it, we'll move it here somewhere at the center point. Right click, move. We'll keep it here somewhere. Click, keep it here somewhere. This is the front hall. I think we better rotate it in this direction. That will be better. Rotate, right click, rotate. Rotate like this. Right click, move it. You remove the ortho mode so you can move it easily. I think you can make it little big. Right click, scale, select any point, and you can give 1.5, so it will become 1.5 times bigger than this. You can see it, the half portion of the text came down. So what you have to do, make it in single line, select the text, and you can see a small arrow here. You just pull it this way, so it became in single line. Okay, now we are going to write for this hall name and this room's name. So you select the same text and we will just edit it. Copy, move it here somewhere, press enter. For these rooms we will rotate the text in this direction. Now we give the ortho mode. F8 is the shortcut for ortho mode, so you can press the F8 key in the keyboard. I'm using the F8 key, so this direction will keep it. So click, move, and move it to this room. Click here. Now we can make two lines for the text, because the room is small. And also you can make it center alignment. You just double click and select all the text, and here you can see the text editor options. You can select the center alignment, so it has come center alignment text, and click and move it to the center. Okay, now we have to edit this as a room 1, so select that, edit it, room 1, and the size is 3 meter by 3 meter, so 3 meter by 3 meter. That's it. And copy the same, copy. You can base point, you can, when you copy that, you can select the base point as this point, and second point you can give the same center point of this row, and press enter. Now you can give this room name as room 2, same 3 meter by 3 meter. Now you can copy this to here. Now you can select these two text and copy it here, so at a time you can copy these two same time. You can use the mirror command also now, but now I am using the copy. You can, whichever easy you can use it, so you just copy it, click somewhere, press enter, and finish. Now this is, we are keeping this as a bathroom, BATHROOM, bathroom. And this is the kitchen, 3 meter by 3 meter, same size for all the rooms. This is kitchen, KITCHEN, kitchen. You don't give, so it came down, kitchen. Okay, and this is the inner hall. And, this size, we have to give the size also. Give. I have copied it instead of moving it, so I delete it. So this I write it, edit it to inner hall or inside hall, whichever you like. Inner hall, and the size is, you can see, is 3 plus 3, 6 meter by 4 meter. So 6 meter by 4 meter, 6 meter by 4 meter. Okay, now we have given the names for all the rooms. Okay, almost completed the house plan, but this is the simple house plan. We give the dimension for here as well. This is 4 meter. Okay, we have given all the dimension, and we have given the doors for all the halls and rooms, and this side we can give one door for going to the back side of the house. So we just copy this, copy it, and select the center point and move it to center point. Yeah, press enter, and you can give inside, not outside. So we select it, you can mirror it to inner side, select the mirror command, and select the center point, make the mirror line. So now you can see it came inside. You just click here. Now it's asking you want to erase the source object. This time we want to erase this object, we want inside only. So we give Y. Y means yes, press enter. Now it came inside. Done. Now what we can do, we can give some different color for these texts, because this all the layout of the house plan is white color. So for the names and for the dimensions we have given red color. So for the names we can give some different color. So just right click that any text and go to properties, and you can see, yes, dialog box, properties dialog box has opened, and you go to the first one, general color. This you just click this arrow, and you give whatever color you want, which one best suitable for this. So in this case I'll give this green color for this text. Click, close it, then give escape to deselect it. Now we are going to use another command, that is match properties. So now we have given color for one text. We can just take the properties of this text to all the text, instead of just right click and go to properties. Instead of changing all the things, you can use this command to just copy the properties to all the text simply. I will show you how to. So for the match properties, the shortcut is MA. Press enter. It's asking me select the source object. This is the source object. This color we want to copy it to all text. So this is the source object. Select it and give enter. Sorry, now I have missed it. So I give again MA. Press enter. Select the source object. This one. Now it's asking select the destination object, whatever object you want to copy the properties of this text. So I'm going to select this one. You can see the color is changed. That means the properties of this text is copied to all the text, whatever we are going to select. This one, this one, this one, this one. And here you can see the directions also copied in this way. So this one we have to move it, rotate. That's it, done. Now we have completed our house plan. Well done. I hope well done. But this is a simple house plan that actually uh, because this is the beginners tutorial, no? So that's why I give a simple house plan, but it should be very detailed house plan. So in later we will do the detailed house plan also, so we will learn all these things. So please subscribe this YouTube channel, so you'll get the new videos. You can learn quickly, easily this Autocad, and this is not very difficult to learn this software. It's easy. It depends your concentration and interest. So please keep watching and don't skip the video in between. So if you do that, you will miss, because you have to watch it continuously from the beginning to the end, so then only you can understand clearly. So in our next tutorial we will learn some new things, and we will make some new drawings. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you.